I'll show you how you can set up your Shopify store in under 30 minutes. So let's just get started. Now on Shopify here, you want to tap on start for free here. Now, once you tap on start to free, it'll go into this website here. Now on here, this is where you will need to sign up. We can get a free trial. I'm going to sign up with an email like this. Now, once I tap on sign up with the email, I'm just going to put in my email like this, and I'm going to make a password. So let me just type in my password like this. After that, I'm just going to tap on create Shopify account. Now, once I tap on create Shopify account, it'll prompt me to log in like this, right? Now, after that, we're going to build our store. Now, on here, we're setting it up. Now, what do you want to sell? So, for example, I want to sell an online store. After that, I'm going to tap on next. After that, which best describe you? I'm not selling yet, or I'm already selling online or in person. I'm just going to say I'm not selling yet. After that, which do you plan to sell? I'm going to plan to sell product that I buy or make myself, and also dropshipping products, for example. I'm going to tap on next. After that, you'll have to choose a plan, but actually we don't have to choose a plan. We can just tap on this to skip out the site later. After that, we're gonna go into our store here. Now, once we're on our store, we're basically done. So we're all set. But to set it up, let's just add a product first. So let's just go to products here. Let's just go ahead and go to products. Now, on products here, I'm going to show you how you can add a product. So we can tap on this button to add a product to finish our store setup. So for example, here, I want to add a t-shirt, right? Now on the t-shirt, I'm going to give it a description as well. This is a cool apparel, something like that. After that, you can also put in a media. So you can put in a picture of what kind of shirt it looks like. You see, there's an automatic categories here as well. Now let's give it a price. So for example, I'm just going to give it this price. After that, I'm going to give it a cost per item as well. So for example here, and then it'll gonna automatically give us a margin as well. We can add stock as well. So I'm just going to put it as 11111. And then we can also add category meta fields as well. But after all of this is done, we can basically just tap on save. And then we have our first product in our first store in Shopify, all under 30 minutes.